In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit caption timestamps in Submagic. We'll walk through the exact path you need to take, and I'll add helpful context so you know why each step matters. Start by heading to submagic.co. Sign in, then choose the account or workspace you want to work in. If you see multiple options, pick the one tied to the content you're editing so your projects and media appear in the right place. Once you're on the dashboard, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. Creating a new project is great if you're starting from scratch with fresh media. Opening an existing project is perfect if you've already uploaded your video and just need to refine the captions. Either way, you'll land inside the project where all your editing happens. Inside the project, look for the Captions section. Select Captions, then go into Edit Captions. This takes you to a view where all of your captions are listed, typically alongside a timeline and the video preview. Here you can see each caption entry with its text and a timestamp. That timestamp represents when the caption appears and when it disappears on the screen. Click on the timestamp for the caption you want to adjust. You'll be able to change the start time and the end time. Think of the start time as the exact moment the text pops up and the end time as the moment it fades out. Adjust the start so it appears just as the speaker begins that line, not too early and not so late that the viewer misses the first words. Adjust the end so the caption stays on screen long enough to read comfortably, but not so long that it lingers after the speaker has moved on. As you refine these times, pay attention to pacing and readability. Shorter lines are easier to read, and captions should generally stay visible long enough for an average viewer to finish them without rushing. Avoid big gaps where no captions show during dialogue, and try not to overlap captions unless the speech genuinely overlaps. If your changes make two captions bump into each other, nudge one slightly so they flow naturally. Use the video preview to confirm your timing feels right. Watch and listen as the captions appear and disappear. Your goal is to match the spoken words closely while keeping the reading experience smooth. Work through your captions one by one, repeating the same process until each segment lines up with the audio. And that's it. By signing in, opening your project, heading to edit captions, and adjusting each caption's start and end time, you'll create clean, professional timing that's easy to follow.